Namaste children. Today I am going to teach the last two features of digital documentation lesson, that is printing a document and mail merge. Session objectives. In this session you are going to learn about printing a document and mail merge. Under printing a document you are going to learn about print preview, controlling printing, printing all pages, single and multiple pages. Print preview. Print preview is useful to check the document before printing. A user can check whether the document is prepared as needed, such as indentation, borders, etc. Before printing the document, you can check everything, and then if you want to do any correction, you can do, and then you can take the print. Using the print preview option, you can view it before taking print out, and if the correction is needed, you can do that, and then you can take the print. Next one is controlling printing. To print the document with certain options, use the print dialog. Where it is present, print dialog. How will you print the document? For printing the document, you have to go to file menu and then you have to choose print option. Otherwise, you can use the shortcut key. Menu oriented, if you want to go, you have to select file menu and then you have to choose the option print. If you want to use shortcut, you can use Control and P. A print dialog box will appear. In that, what you have to do, you can choose options as per your requirement. They are printer, properties, print range, copies and options. The selected options will work for the current document only. If you click on a small triangle, a list of names of printers will appear in line with your name. You can select the printer which you want. In this slide, I attached controlling printing dialog box diagram. Here you can see the options: printer, print properties, print range, copies and options. Everything, the triangle symbol, everything is present here. See the dialog box, children. Printing all pages, single and multiple pages. One can select the printing option as per their choice. There are three options to print the number of pages in your document. To print all the pages in sequence, you have to choose the option all pages. To print a single page or number of non-consecutive pages, you have to choose the option pages and you have to give the page number separated by comma. If you want to print the pages that are consecutive, give the range of pages first and last page. For example, if you want to print 3 to 8 pages, you have to give 3-8 like that. To print only the selected text, choose the option selection. Likewise, you can print the single page or multiple page or all the pages. Last topic is mail merge. Mail merge is an important feature of word processor. It is used to create a series of same documents with multiple addresses. Mail merge is the process of merging the main document with the mailing address of various persons. It is used to send invitations, letters or to print certificates. For example, if you want to send a invitation letter to your friends, you are going to celebrate your birthday party. If you want to send invitation to your friends and relatives, instead of typing, for example, if you want to send the invitation for 50 members, you need not type the letter 50 times. Instead of that, you can create the body of the letter in one document and 50 addresses you are going to send, those addresses you have to type it in another document. With the help of mail merge option, you can merge the two documents and you will get all the 50 letters compiled in one document. You need not type the letter 50 times. Instead of that, you can use mail merge. This is a very important feature of word processor. Now I am going to explain how to do this mail merge. I created one demo video, just you watch that, children. Children, come, let's watch how to do mail merge in mail merge demo video.
Get into LibreOffice Writer. For that, desktop you have LibreOffice Shoot, no, 7.0 I downloaded. Click that. In this you have to choose Writer document. Click Writer document. This is the LibreOffice Writer screen. Here I am going to type the body of the letter. What I told already, we are going to send invitation, birthday invitation letter for the friends and relative. For that, first I have to type the body of the letter. For creating mail merge document, you need two. What are they? Main document and the data source. Main documents mean what? You have to type the body of the letter in main. Data source is nothing but addresses of the sender. Okay, to whom you are going to invite those people, address you have to keep it in data source. In your book they gave the explanation for data source, so that's just to go through that. I'll read it. A data source is a set of mailing addresses in the form of a rows and columns, generally called database. The content of the database in the form of data records. Each row is a record of each data records. Each row is a record of each person, which contains the various fields such as name, address, pin code. To create an address book using spreadsheet or database is little easier as they use the table format to store the data. It is also possible to create an process using mail merge wizard. Using mail merge wizard, we are going to create the data source. Before creating data source, you have to create the body of the letter, that is main document. First you have to type to field and then you have to leave space for s. Then you have to start the body of the letter. That first you have to write the subject. What you are going to type in subject? Birthday party invitation. Okay, then you have to type the letter. You are cordially invited you're cordially invited for the birthday party. Cordially invited on 26/10/2020 at 6 p.m. at home. Please consider this letter as My personal invitation. Then what you have to type? Thanking you, like that you will type no. Thanks with regards. Type thanks with regards. This for your friends and relatives only. So type thanks with regards. You are going to send this for your kith and kin. So normally if it is a business letters, what you will type? Yours. Letters, what you will type? Yours obediently, yours faithfully, like that, no? But this is for your friends. So loving yours, lovingly yours, lovingly yours. I have to type. By mistake I just lovingly your. Then you have to type your name. Okay, like that you have to create the body of the letter. After typing that, you can save it. What is the file name I am giving? Body of the letter. How it is saving? ODT format, because this is LibreOffice Writer. Okay, now I completed the body of the letter. Next what I have to do? I have to open Mail Merge Wizard. Where it is available in Tools menu, you have Mail Merge Wizard. Open that. Then follow the instruction. Select starting document. You have to click select starting document. Under that you have to choose use the current document. Use the current document. Then click next. Then click next. Okay, in this you have to choose letter. Okay. Document type it is asking now. Letter you have to choose. Next you have to select address list. And this window, select address list window will open. No, this will allow you to create the recipient. Window will open. No, this will allow you to create the recipient list. Okay, as shown in the picture. See the dialog box. This is select address list dialog box. Insert address block. With that you have to choose select address list. Okay, in select address list you have to click create. Create is there, no? You have to add create button. Then new address list. That window will appear. In this window, under the address information, enter the information of the recipient. Okay, you have to click create button first. Then what you will get? After clicking on the create button, a new address list window will open. Here you have to type the address. A title it is asking, no, whether he here you have to type the address. A title it is asking, no, whether he Mr. or Mrs. A salutation you will type, no, that you have to give here. Title you have to type Mr. Okay, then you have to give first name. Then you have to type last name. address one it is asking, no? Type the address of the sender. I didn't put door number. Now I am including that. Then you have to type second line of the address and then city name and then state, pin code it is asking, no? Pin code you have to type. After typing that, you should not click OK because you have to type 5 addresses, no? So next, after completing the first address, you have to click button. Suppose if you want to fill the data of the recipient as per the default fields, then enter the data. Suppose if you want to customize the fields of recipient information, you have to click on customize button. A customize address list window will appear if you click customize option. Click customize option. Okay, there you can add, delete or rename any field name. You can also change the order of appearance of the fields using up and down arrow button. Add for a new field, you can delete unnecessary field, you can rename everything possible using customize option. After customizing the fields, enter the data in the new format. After entering, you have to click new button to enter the information of the next recipient. After completing all, only you have to click OK button. Okay, now I am typing second sender details. Address first line I am typing now. Number 2 new colony. Address second line. Not Nehru, near police station. Krompet, Chennai. This is the second sender. State Tamil Nadu. pin code. Zip means pin code 00600044. Country India. 044 country India. Like this you have to type. Third one, Swaminathan. Last name Kalyan. Address first line 4th Cross Street, Charvamangala Nagar, Krompet City, Krompet, Chennai. State Tamil Nadu. Code 600044. I didn't leave space between Tamil and Nadu. Now I gave space, then I typed the country name India. Typing third address, I clicked new. So typing the fourth recipient address. Title I gave Mr. First name Kannan, last name Aravind. Address first line 5 Car Street. Leave space between car and street. Second line of the address. Thiruppa Puliyur. It is in Kadalur. State Tamil Nadu. After typing the addresses on OK button, Save As dialog box will open. It will save this file in .csv format. After saving the list, a window will appear as shown in the video, which will display the various recipient lists. You can select any of the created list till now. Select the required list and click on OK button from any of the list to send the letter. After clicking on OK button, you will move to step 3 of Mail Merge Wizard. A window in step 3 of Mail Merge Wizard. A window insert address block will appear, which will show you the address block as shown in the video. Click on next button. We will move to the fourth step of mail merge wizard. Insert address block will appear which will show the address block as. Click on next button. We will move to step 4 of mail merge wizard now. A create salutation window will appear as shown in video. To set the salutations for male and female recipients, distinguishing one group from another is defined by choosing from the offered field names, for example gender, and by entering the field value, for example female. Click on next button. You will move to last step of 5 of my mail merge wizard. An adjust layout window will appear as shown in the video. To set the layout of the recipient address on the page, you can set the top and left margin. Click on finish button. Okay. Before clicking layout, suppose if you want to leave space between to and body of the letter, or if you have more space, you can cut the space. Any adjustment you want to do, like print preview, you can view this and you can adjust the letter document. Okay, and then you have to click finish button. After clicking finish button, to match the letter with the recipient's address, in the next step, the writer will display the document with the mail merge toolbar below the standard toolbar as shown in the video. So below the standard toolbar, you can see the mail merge toolbar. Now you have to click on edit individual documents. Okay, you have to click edit individual documents. What are all the options present in mail merge toolbar? You have exclude recipient, save merged documents, print merged documents, email ones, print merged documents, email messages. Many options are there. You have to choose edit individual documents. Mail merge wizard, what you have to do? You have to choose, see the output. No, this is the output file. Maximize the screen and see the merged documents now. First name Ramani you gave, no? So now the merged document is showing. Second Revati you gave. Third recipient name what you gave, Swaminathan. Fourth recipient name what you gave, think Aravind, Kannan Aravind. Okay, everything is coming, no? Like this you can merge the document. Want to see again you can see that. You can also use the other options on mail merge toolbar, such as to exclude some of the recipient, check on the checkbox of exclude recipient. To save the merged document, click on the save merged documents button. To print the merged document, click on the print merged documents button. Everything is available under the standard toolbar. Using that, you can utilize the options. You can see the merged entries one by one. Number is also showing no first letter, second letter, like that. You can view the document. No first letter, second letter, like that. You can view the document. Edit individual documents. Again, if you want to edit and see, you can see that. If you want to save, you can save. Automatically it is saving. But if you want to save it in another name, using save as option, you can save. Go to file menu, and then select exit LibreOffice. Save changes, it is asking in body of the letter, give yes and come out from LibreOffice Writer. That's all. Merge the two documents. I already told, no, already it is saved in untitled 3. Now we are giving the file name as mail. Okay, like this you can give and save your document.
In this slide, I gave one exercise for practice. Try this, children. So far, what we learned today, children? How to create and manage the table, how to print the documents in LibreOffice Writer, what are all the methods to print, and then how to create mail merge. Everything we learned today. So read the lesson, children. Thank you, children. That's all. The lesson over. Digital documentation lesson over. We'll meet in the next session.